Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your pay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for pay app, but just click here on search. Then here at pay app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, then you search for Pay Network. It's up, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if just click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.